Hello, my name is Ariana Salvi, and I'm from Boca Raton, Florida, which is about 3.5 hours on the other coast if you're thinking of it as Tampa, 30 minutes from Fort Lauderdale north. So it is right next to the beaches, which is amazing. It's an amazing place to grow up in. There is great education, great weather, and it's an amazing location where you don't really get the traffic, but you also have great schools, which is why my parents chose to live there and raise me and my sister because the education is so good. According to Modo and by OJO, Boca Raton guarantees you and your child a good education as well as all the amenities that come with such the great location. One of my favorite things to do there is go to the mall. We have a town center, which is in literally the heart of Boca, and they have over 100 stores to shop at. You can think of one thing and they'll have it, from Abercrombie to the whole food court, Forever 21. But ironically enough, both of my parents were born in New York, and they met there and decided to raise me and my sister in Boca Raton. So I did go to both. I did go to elementary, middle school, and high school here, which is why I chose to go to USF to get a little further away but still close from home. And I wouldn't want to live anywhere else. I think once I graduate college, I'm going to come back to Boca and raise my family here with such the amazing perks they have. Thanks.